The following is a flash flood warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Lincoln has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Dunwoody County in central Illinois, northern Logan County in central Illinois, southwestern McLean County in central Illinois, northeastern Mason County in central Illinois, southeastern Tazewell County in central Illinois, until 2:45 a.m. At 8:53 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bloomington, Mason City, Normal, Leroy, Highworth, Atlanta, Delavan, Minier, Danvers, Downs, Hopeeville, McLean, Green Valley, San Jose, Stanford, Emden, Towanda, Waynesville, Armington, and Hartsburg. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The following is a summary